Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will explain you how to configure Zabbix and send emails when an alert trigger is activated. First of all, open your Zabbix server, click on Administration, then Media Types. Click on Email, and now I will explain you how to configure Gmail account. But if you are using an email provider other than Gmail, you need to find the parameters from your email provider. At first, you can Google the name of your email provider and then type SMTP settings and type the required parameters into Zabbix server fields. And if you are using a Gmail account like me, follow the next steps. SMTP server, you have to type smtp.gmail.com. SMTP server port, you can type 465. SMTP hello, same as in your SMTP server. And field SMTP email, you have to type here your email address. In my case, that is my IP address. Connection security SSL TLS, you have to check. Here also check both. Authentication, click username and password. And your username is your IP address. Copy that here, and password, you have to type your password. Okay. Now check again. That is okay. Update. And now click on users. Then your admin user. Then media. Click on add. And here type, check email. Send to your email address. When active, always. And for these purposes, I will check average, high and disaster. And of course enabled. Now click on add. That seems okay. Now update. Now click on configuration, then on action. At first check if you have selected trigger actions. Now in upper right corner click create action. Name, you can type whatever you want. I can type test action. Conditions, click on add. Now you can check whatever you want, but for this tutorial and these purposes I will check trigger severity equals average. Now click on add. Okay, now operations. Default operation step duration. What that mean? And what that mean? If the problem, for example, is not so resolved 1 hour, an email will be sent. But I don't want to wait 1 hour, and I'm going to type 1 minute. For these purposes, of course, in the field operation, click on add, send message. that you can leave as it is. Send to user groups and to users here on add admin. Send only to email. Now add. Okay, our operation sent message to users admin. Okay, now add, and our test action is enabled. Now if you go into media types, you can check and you can see that your email is connected with test action. To receive an email from a Zabbix server, you need to allow less secure applications to send you an email. And how to do that? If you use Gmail account, you have just type allow secure apps Gmail and type my account. And if you scroll, you can see my account.google.com. Here you have to check on, turn on, and now and as you can see, I have received a security notification from Google, but that is okay. And now we have to run a trigger that has average severity and wait to see if the action will be triggered. Now what I can do, I can stop the Zabbix agent of my Windows host. Here I can type services, find your Zabbix agent and click on stop. And now we have to wait a little bit. And now as you can see here, the action has been launched and I have received an email. Now check email. And as you can see here, we have received the email successfully. Thank you for your watching.